If we have the expression like this, then what is the correct answer of this question? Many people, when solving this question, first go straight from left to right. It means first solve parentheses. Inside the parentheses, first solve multiplication, then division. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M is signed for multiplication, D is signed for division, A is signed for addition, and S is signed for subtraction. As you can see on the screen, in this equation, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by parentheses, then a division, and finally another exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, first they go for the expression inside the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. And inside the parentheses, we have one division sign, followed by a multiplication sign. It's really important to understand that multiplication and division have equal precedence, and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So, first they go for the division. In the next step, we move on to the multiplication. And then we go for the exponents, because in the PEMDAS rule, after a parenthesis, exponent has a higher priority than the other operation. In the final step, we go for the division, because division has a higher priority than subtraction and finally gives us right answer.